let's talk about kind of what goes in the trays now. Perfect slide. Look at that timing. So in the biodome, it's easy. You just have the sponges. You don't have to do anything. Like that's one of the reasons why we like them so much because we have a ton of stuff to grow and it just makes it so much easier. Also, the sponges are like sanitized, like they're ready to go. If we grow in the bootstrap trays, then we make our own seed starting mix. Or you can also buy seed starting mix from Espoma, which we carry in our store. So if you'd rather do that as well and save time, then you can just buy that. And we've used that and that works great as well. Again, on like the scale that we're doing this, we're going to be doing a lot. So we're going to be making our own generally. And we usually make it with a mix of coconut coir, which is what you see on the left. It's just this compressed brick of coconut coir that you soak in water. It expands. We have some pretty cool time lapse videos showing how it expands. Let's make another one of those. It's time for us to do them. Those are always cool videos. So we'll just put that in like warm water, let it expand, and then mix that with some vermiculite. We also add in worm castings. We have a worm farm in our garage already, so it's this is something that's pretty easy for us to do. If you don't have a worm farm, you can typically find like worm castings on like Facebook Marketplace or like it used to be on Craigslist, but I don't think anyone really uses Craigslist anymore. I know I don't, but I can find it on Facebook Marketplace or Facebook groups. You can probably buy it somewhere.